Telegram camera not working on your iPhone, can't open it or make video calls? Don't worry, I'll show you easy ways to fix it. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Allow camera permission for Telegram. First, open iPhone settings on your iPhone. Then scroll to the bottom and tap Apps. Now search for Telegram at the bottom. Then tap Telegram. After that, tap Photos. Make sure camera access is enabled. Without camera permission, Telegram cannot use your iPhone camera. Solution 2. Update Telegram. Outdated versions may have camera-related bugs. So, go to the App Store on your device, then search for Telegram and tap Update if available. It will clear temporary glitches and then check if it works. Your Telegram camera should now work on iPhone. If this helped, like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.